welcome back to my channel. So today I had to go to a store, and in the neighborhood there are a couple of thrift stores. So I'm having a spontaneous thrift store adventure. Let's go to the first one. So I was planning on going to a couple of thrift stores, but I went to one and it's a very big one. And I was there for a very long time, so I only went to one, but I found some pretty good things. My little helpers here. Hi. Let's see. First one. Oh yeah. It's a little... Can you call it a totem? Wooden totem thing? Something? I thought it was very cool. I have a couple of these and just collecting them. So this one was super cheap. It's like, I think it's marble. Oh, don't mind the squeaking. Evie? Evie? No. No. So I think this is marble and it's intact. And I really love this green color. And this one was a steal for only €4. So for a project that I'm working on, I need a couple of mirrors and I saw these. And I really like the shapes of these. Yeah, the last one. So these have a really organic style and I really loved it. Also the colors are so pretty. The Botanic Garden. And I have this one and also this one. This one is also super pretty. So that was the haul. I think I've been in this thrift store for at least an hour and a half, but they have so much over there. So I'm really happy with what I found. So thank you so much for coming with me on my thrift store adventure. So if you liked it, please like and subscribe because it helps my channel a lot. And I will see you next time. To a couple of thrift stores. It was so cheap. Belly, I can see. Belly, 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 belly. Always.